Gut microbiome. Your invisible health guardian. Hello everyone, this is Gigglejig, and I'm thrilled to meet you again. Did you know? On average, each person's gut hosts 1.5 to 2 kilograms of bacteria, like a miniature ecosystem. These tiny microbes don't just help digest food, they might also influence your mood, immunity, and even brain function. In our last episode, we talked about the importance of gut health. If you haven't seen it, check out the video link in the description to catch up. Today, we'll dive deeper into the secrets of the gut microbiome, especially its surprising connections to autism, depression, allergies, and even cancer. Let's get started. The gut microbiome, your body's microscopic world. Our gut is like a bustling microscopic city, home to trillions of bacteria weighing 1.5 to 2 kilograms. These bacteria fall into 3 categories. Beneficial bacteria, like Bifidobacteria and Lactobacilli, they're the gut's guardians. Opportunistic bacteria, usually well-behaved, but they can cause trouble if out of control. Transient bacteria, visitors from food or the environment, typically harmless, but they can spark disease if beneficial bacteria are low. Functions of the microbiome. The gut's surface is coated with a protective bacterial film, like a defense wall for your intestines. This barrier blocks viruses, toxins, and parasites while producing antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral substances to help the immune system fight pathogens. Even more fascinating, beneficial bacteria can neutralize carcinogens, rendering them inactive and even suppress cancer cell growth. That's why a healthy gut microbiome is considered key to cancer prevention. Isn't the gut microbiome incredible? But what happens if this protective film is damaged? Let's find out. The serious consequences of gut dysbiosis. When beneficial bacteria are harmed by antibiotics, stress, or poor diet, the gut's protective function collapses. This is the GAPS gut state described in Gut and Psychology Syndrome. Without beneficial bacteria, viruses, bacteria, parasites, and toxins attack the gut wall, causing chronic inflammation. This can lead to bloating, diarrhea, constipation, or nutrient absorption issues. Even worse, 60 to 70% of the energy for gut epithelial cells comes from beneficial bacteria's metabolic activity. If the microbiome is disrupted, gut cells starve, reducing digestion and nutrient absorption. This explains why GAPS patients, like those with autism or depression, often lack vital nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and zinc, which are crucial for brain and immune health. Gut dysbiosis has far-reaching effects. Have you ever considered how your diet might be impacting your gut health? The secret conversation between gut and brain. Have you heard the gut called the second brain? It's no exaggeration. The gut has its own nervous system, the enteric nervous system, with 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord. It operates independently and talks to the brain. Scientists have found that the gut microbiome influences brain chemicals. For example, 90% of serotonin, a mood-regulating chemical, is produced in the gut. This means gut health directly affects your mood and behavior. In GAPS patients with autism, depression, or ADHD, gut dysbiosis causes a unique issue. They can't properly digest casein from milk or gluten from wheat. These proteins are converted into opioid-like substances called casomorphins and gliadorphins, which cross the blood-brain barrier, affecting brain function and causing behavioral issues, mood problems, or even addiction. How to restore gut health. Gut dysbiosis can stem from many sources: a poor diet such as high in sugary processed foods, chronic stress over use of antibiotics, or even inherited abnormal flora from your mother. For example, a diet high in refined sugar can cause bad bacteria such as Candida and Streptococcus to grow wildly and may also encourage the growth of parasites. A long-term low-fiber diet will weaken gut protection, raising the risk of colon cancer and metabolic diseases. The good news? Restoring the gut microbiome can improve these issues. Here are some science-backed tips. 1. Boost probiotics. Eat probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, fermented foods, or take probiotic supplements to rebuild beneficial bacteria. 2. Increase fiber intake. Eat more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to promote gut motility and beneficial bacteria growth. 3. Cut processed foods. Reduce refined sugar, bread, and cakes, which feed harmful bacteria. 4. Manage stress. Meditation, exercise, or adequate sleep can lessen stress's damage to the microbiome. Special reminder: For issues like iron deficiency anemia, simply taking iron supplements may not help and could even fuel iron-loving bacteria. The best approach is to repair the gut microbiome first, then supplement nutrients. Today, we've explored the incredible power of the gut microbiome. It's not just a digestion helper, it's a guardian of your immune system and brain. From autism to depression, allergies to cancer, a healthy gut microbiome may be key to preventing and improving these conditions. Want a healthier gut? Start today by eating more whole foods, cutting back on wheat products and refined sugars, and gradually nurturing your gut microbiome. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Have questions or discoveries about gut health? Leave a comment below. I'm Gigglejig, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.